Hi Henley students. Today we're going to show space in a work of art using a couple of different tricks that artists use to make people believe that a flat two-dimensional surface has three-dimensional qualities. First, grab one of the large papers that you have in your art folder, open it up. After you have written your name on the back, you can get started. You're going to use a pencil. I'm going to use a marker so you can see it better on the video. First thing we want to do is draw our horizon line. The horizon line is where the ground and the sky meet. You can make your horizon line anywhere you want in the middle of the paper. It goes all the way across. I'm not going to use a ruler because the ground is usually not perfectly straight. So you might want to have a little bit of a wave or a bump to your lines. Next, I'm going to draw a road. Your road can go anywhere from the horizon line down to the bottom of your paper. You're going to use diagonal lines to draw your road. I'm going to draw my road right about here. Diagonal line going down in that direction, and then another diagonal line going down in this direction. We want people to believe that this part of the road is close to us, so it seems wider, and this part of the road is really far away, because as things go off into the distance, they get smaller and smaller and smaller. Next, we're just going to add some center lines in our road. These are the kind of details that you can always add very gentle with your pencil. And then we're going to draw some trees. When we draw our trees, we're going to start at the bottom of the paper. These trees should be very big. I'm just going to draw some pine trees. Draw a zigzag line going down, horizontal going across, and then another zigzag line with a little tree stump. Now I'm going to draw another tree. This tree is going to be smaller. It's going to start right around there. Now, if we were to put these trees next to each other, they would be the same size. But because this tree is farther away, it seems like it's smaller. So when we draw it on the paper, we want to draw it smaller than this tree here. Now I'm going to draw another tree. And that one's going to be even smaller. Notice how my trees don't go above my horizon line? Maybe one more baby tree off in the distance. I'm going to do the same thing on this side of the paper. So let me pause my video. Okay, so now I have my trees on both sides of the road, and as you can see, the trees are about the same size and in about the same place. Next, I'm going to draw some mountains. Now, the mountains are much bigger than the tree, but because they are so far away, they're actually going to be about the same size as the trees. Feel free to make your mountains look however you want. Obviously, we want to have a little bit of space in between the mountains here for the road to continue. If you want to make this a sunset picture, that's always nice. You can maybe add the sun here, but you don't have to. You can always add your sun on the top, and of course some clouds. You can always add other details to your picture to make it different. Birds, maybe lakes, perhaps airplanes, cars on the road. Whatever you want to make your picture different, but following the same directions. Once you're done drawing, then you can color. You can choose whatever colors you like for your picture. I hope you enjoyed this project, boys and girls, showing space in a flat two-dimensional work of art.